So with that, now we are talking about productivity when we talk about project management, right? When we used to see what is the productivity of the project, what is the revenue that we have consumed, or costs that we have consumed, what is that we are seeing as productivity coming up. Now, what's productivity when machines can work 24 bar 7?
So the entire metrics, KPIs, OKRs are undergoing a change as we speak. Actually, Prem, these
Mm.
metrics are no longer enough. So we'll need to relook the entire system. Given that AI can do a lot of the stuff, can give us dashboards like that at any given time. A project manager or even any member of a project team can see where the project is, at what stage it is, right? How much of completion has been done, what are the roadblocks which are like lying ahead, or what are the kind of strategic pivots that we need to do in order to reach the outcomes that we have committed to. All right, so the entire KPI metrics need to be changed, and they are not only changing at the project manager level. We are no longer looking at people's 9 to 5 hours.
Hmm.
We are rather looking at whether they were able to achieve things efficiently.
Efficiently.
So what is the efficiency quotient? We are no longer looking at just productivity. We are looking at how well did they deliver their work, how efficient were they able to identify more roadblocks than before, were they
Hmm.
able to predict more issues which could cause delay in the project, right? Like we see at our CXO levels and board levels, right? The stakeholders are no longer talking to us about, did you finish this project in 5 years time within this $5 million budget? No, they are looking at, did you collaborate better with the stakeholders? Like, what's the trust quotient that we can have at a board level, right? Can we trust your company to deliver a similar project in probably less time, with less people, and with less budget? So they are all relying on AI as a effective tool, just to like push out all the repetitive tasks and push the humans to do more, right? And to use their brains more.
Yeah.
So the brawn is being like done by the AI, and the brain is where the measurements are happening, right? So the entire the KPI OKR system is itself undergoing a complete change at all levels. So I think we will have totally different metrics in the next 2 years compared to what we had previous to.